Wine.
What are you talking to?
Who you talking to? Why you gotta repeat me? No, you repeating me. See. Yo. Yeah, in a brief intermission right now. I think they're getting taking some pregame shots.
Oh, now what you talking about?
Oh, my bad. I thought y'all was taking creatine shots, man.
Creatine shots? That's some wild shit, damn all.
What it do, Mike?
What up? What up?
Same old shit, just a different day, man. Trying to make a couple dollars like you guys.
Yeah, market was real friendly last week, man. Market was friendly last week. So I was telling Winston, I was like, look, it's the beginning of the month. Let the market choose direction first before we start putting money on the line. So October is usually a green month. So I'm gonna put that in the background for right now. So we'll see typically how the market won't move this month.
Continuing on that seasonality for the most part.
Yeah. October is usually a green month, bro.
You need to unlock your iPhone first.
I don't know if what you talking about? I don't know if all this other stuff that's going on gonna have an effect on the market. But I think, they got all that government shutdown stuff. I think they got that square in the way. So we'll see. We'll see. So like I was saying, October should be a green month. So I guess this is gonna be the Zoom. Hold up. The chart's up, baby. Wait for Winston to get the charts up, man. Yo.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm about to say something. Hello? Y'all get me?
Yeah,
Yeah, y'all was saying something?
nah, chilling.
All right, Mike. You go.
Nigga said you go.
Now you,
Nigga said I'm tired of talking.
now you go.
I ain't got no more talking.
Same numbers. Mr. Martin, going to the weekly. This gap we trace on the weekly. Y'all get me?
Yeah,
All right. So you seen this one retrace, bro?
the small gap,
The weekly gap.
that small weekly gap.
Yeah.
So this is my dilemma I got, bro. And that's what I'm gonna say this and I'm gonna bid y'all farewell.
Okay.
The market, in my opinion, the market look weak. It look like it won't continue to sell.
I like it.
But in October, bro, the market usually goes green. We usually have a green month, the month of October.
So the question I pose to you is,
Who gonna win?
when or where does it need to sell to?
Where? Say that again.
When or where?
Where does it need to sell to?
Yes.
All right, 4,200, bro.
4,200,
Yeah.
On it.
which would
What are
be
you
right
talking about, serious?
here.
Yep. So
This a monthly.
4,200.
It looked like we held the monthly level. So you're saying the next candle, it go down there and touch, but then Prince Green?
Yeah.
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 Or goes green. Then
So
I don't
I'm
think it's
thinking, I'm
gonna
thinking we in this. I think we in October green, bro. I think we start off the month selling though. I think we start off the month selling and get to where we need to get to. Then we rebound pretty much the rest of the month. Now I'm not gonna say it's gonna be like explosive moves to the upside, but I think we're gonna kind of like creep back up to the upside this entire month of October.
right.
You know, and I'm not. We might not even feel that monthly. We might not even feel this gap.
Which one?
Oh, I'm tripping. My bad. No, I'm on the wrong. I'm thinking about something else. This is monthly, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it must be on a weekly.
They got
So that's what I'm saying. So we could come down at a 4,200, knock them,
now.
get them lows out the way,
Yeah.
knock that out. Rebound for the rest of the month, maybe close somewhere like 40, 4,400, somewhere in that area. 43.98.
I was gonna bring up this EMA, but on this monthly, it's cheesy. See how it ain't as
Yeah,
clear.
it don't really, yeah. I don't think the EMA strong enough for that monthly.
But it broke the backside, but I haven't used one on.
Yeah, the
I
gap
think
on
I'll
the
just stick with the 1 hour. It's really good. So now the weekly gap you talking about is this one?
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Okay. So are you playing it down to like 42-20? Are you just saying 42 flat?
I'm just it. So um, it really does. It really could go all the way, go down to that week.
Right here?
Yeah,
This one?
yeah. It really could come down there. For real, for real.
How you want to see? My
If we
thing
be
is this.
honest. But that gonna take some time for it to get down there.
My thing is this. So I
So
think I
yes.
moved up to
Which one of your weekly? Which one is your weekly level,
306.
dog? What
This
color is
one.
your weekly?
This one. But I
Oh,
remember I moved this from where I had it because you were adamant about the 4306, which was pretty fucking good, if I say so myself. But if I draw that other line I had,
oh, then we might have a special guest.
see that one, Mike?
Oh yeah, okay.
Like we still would have to. Well, you don't have to break it, but it'd have to do it pretty early. Like if we play around up here at the beginning of the week, I'm not looking for this to be taken out. I think
Right, you're looking for it to go back to the upside.
we'll start sharing that reversal.
Yeah.
So although I like and understand the lower numbers, now by it not breaking, I can't say we going lower. I gotta wait and see. You know what I'm saying? So maybe come
Oh
up
yeah, that's what I'm saying. So it's by it being the beginning of the month. It's the beginning of the month. You know, basing it solely off of seasonality. You know, October is normally a green month, so we'll see. That's what I was saying. We'll see. I'm not really in a rush to take no trade this week. Unless I find something on a smaller time frame that is I can't resist.
right
But
now.
that gap got my attention. That weekly gap got my attention. I want to see how we handle that gap. And then from the weekly standpoint, going from weekly to daily to 4 hour, just to see, what the candles is telling us. That pretty much give me my bias going into the week. Yeah, but that 4306 was platinum.
Still is till this day. Like I ain't taking nothing lower.
To
So
this
I get
day.
another break. Definitely was platinum. So that's what you got for the weekly. Let me see. Yeah, they had all the shit deleted. This gap filled over here and retraced. This might be upside right here, Mike. It come test this like 44.19.
Mm-hmm.
Whether it be
We had that number though. We had that number last week. I think it was 44.21. We said.
yeah, it never came up there. So I'm still waiting on that to that first touch should be a sell, if not the bottom. Like what you think about this wick right here?
Gap bounce.
The bottom of the box, it just bounced right there.
It could though. It could, but I'll be more certain
on
to
the
take
20
the middle
side.
of that gap. Take the middle of that gap. Yeah.
And then this one played well. this number right here. Slide it down and make it cleaner.
Order block, buddy.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
that's sweet.
Yeah, it came in there real nice too, and so low.
You have some. Oh, that ain't bad neither. I didn't have nothing down here.
The whole thing is though, bruh, and I think people realize this too. Like anything closing below 4,300 on a daily, on a weekly time frame, that's nothing that's gonna catch you down there. It's a free fall.
Wait, what? Anything?
4,300. Look, anything under 4,300, son. Look at that shit. Toodaloo. That shit is going. It's gonna fall, son. That bitch gonna fall. You might, yeah.
This 4280 for sure. I know, like you said, yeah.
4,300, bro.
This up,
Anything
yeah.
under that?
It
Is
actually could move this up.
that bitch will get nasty. That bitch will start selling like real aggressively.
Yeah, I agree.
Ain't no safety net down there.
I agree. What the
So the
shit?
market did do right by trying to find some support, finding support and moving higher. Because if it didn't do that,
You still got this part of it, though. Like this bitch ain't even. So you got these candles printing higher. They not all green, but that's an uptrend. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
On the daily, you got an uptrend right now. Higher highs and higher lows, each candle, 3 in a row. Or well, let's say 2 in a row. Get
Because you got your
another
low, you got your ultimate low that was created with probably what, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then yeah, you got a higher low, then another higher low, and you got 2 higher highs, like you said.
Yeah. So it's turning. How long? I don't know. Then you got your RSI kind of curving. I'm thinking potentially of us going up first, then coming back down. We might even range between here, these two spots. Like I would
Yeah.
like to sell this down and maybe here take off a few contracts and see if you could get back down to here. One more again. I'm gonna have to look those numbers up on what numbers are those? You got 40, 420, and 46, 6. Yeah, that's like a weekly level too, bro. Up here, that 20. Yeah, and here.
420, bro. That's your sell. That's your sell on first touch, though. Don't hesitate. Pull the trigger.
Yeah.
Nino Brown.
Like you said, that'll probably. I'll say this: if it don't come down to 4306 first before it take off, I'm selling at 20. You heard me?
Yep.
Now, if it come down here first, you might want to. It might just be looking to be like a green week altogether. If it come down here first, but,
So if we go higher, so you wanted to go higher first, so you get to sell back
I
down.
can sell it back down to here. I don't want either way. I'll just say that if I still sell 420, if it touches the 06 first, I won't sell it as hard as if it touched the 21st. If it touched the 21st, 5 contracting. If it touches the 06 first, when it comes to the 20, I might take just 2. It's probably gonna be looking to push and get back above, like you said. We're in October now. It did
Right.
everything we wanted for September. We got 4 weeks. You got 4 red candles.
So I
Yeah,
think, man,
everything.
I think what's gonna happen is,
It's a crazy spot though, Mike.
so this what I think is gonna happen. I think we're gonna open the week red. We're gonna, because I think the market gonna try to trap them sellers in that market. Be like, oh yeah, we still selling, and then it's gonna fucking reverse.
Mhm.
So that's just my, if I was pressing the buttons and trying to control, that's what I would do. That's what I would do. I'm just saying.
And we said this before on the weekly. It's in a good spot, dog.
It is.
It ended in a good spot to go
It is.
back up.
It is. But I'm taking, bro, like you said, but if we open up green, I'm taking a sell to the, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
So now granted, we only looked at high time frames. We only looked at the monthly and the weekly and the daily. We ain't go into the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So if you look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour, you might find something even better. You know what I'm saying? So
I'm about to go down now.
because when I be trading, like when I be at home trading, I don't even look. I use the 1 hour as my daily. It's the 1 hour and 15 minute and 5 minute, because the 1 hour will just be telling me everything I need to know. Now I look at the 4 hour and the daily and the weekly. I do all that like on Sunday or like when the market closed. But like when I'm trading, like when I'm in go mode, I'm not looking past nothing past the 1 hour.
Right.
Because I ain't trying to take no 4 hour trade, because I'm not trying to send no trade for 4 hours. I'm not even trying to send a trade for an hour. I'm gonna be doing 100% honest. Most of the trades I take, I be in that bitch for like 17 minutes, 16 minutes. 3 candles, 3 red candles. I mean, 3 5-minute candles at the most, probably. Now, if that bitch keeps
Think
selling, like selling,
Hour before, bro. And that
I'll be
shit
like, yeah, I'm gonna sit in this bitch.
nerve wracking.
Yeah, bro. But if you know what you're looking for, you know what you're trying to do, get in and get out, make your money and go home, bro. Go home, Roger. Oh man.
Let's take this out. I'm about to go down to 4. It definitely could be turning around though, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that looks. Wow. What a fucking number, man.
So would it have to go back to where that clutter is to see what direction it truly want to go?
Which color are you talking about, young boy?
Back to that higher time frame you were just on.
The daily.
I think so.
Okay.
So go up. I can't see. I'm on the phone. Forgive me.
Good.
What that price is.
Right here.
Like with that 40, yeah. Go down.
Go down some
So
more.
will it have to go between, yeah, right there between that one and with the 25.50
No,
or 42.50?
no, I don't have to go back down there.
42.50.
Nah,
Nah,
I
it
don't
ain't
go
been
back
down there yet. We saying it doesn't like it hit the 43.06 and everything, and then it hit a few other parts to where if you squeeze this chart, it could turn around like right where it's
So
at.
look,
Off of the
so
43.06.
basically, so look, Supreme, basically what happened is, so like that clutter of candles that you're talking about, that's what we call like a consolidation or a range, right? So we closed outside of that range back in what, March? What that was? however many weeks ago that was. We closed outside that
This
range.
was May. You talking about right here?
May. Yeah, we closed outside the range. We came back last week and tested that range and got the fuck up out that range. So now the thing what can happen now is we can move higher to this breaker this breaker right here that we got in the middle of that right there. That line was and got right there. That's your next line in the sand per se of where we could go to find opposition to what we're trying to do. So most people will be like, okay, well, I'm buying from here. So if you're buying from here,
Make sure we ain't gotta go back up.
looking for where you could get stopped at. What nigga punch you in your mouth. And nigga could punch you in your mouth right there because that was a level. Tested it, ran up, came back and tested it again, ran again, came back and closed beneath it, created a gap. You see that? That gap from last week or week before last. It created a gap. So now that gap should be used as resistance. Let the candles tell a story, bro. So like it did everything it wanted to do coming down here because that consolidation was pretty nice, and then it took a little bit for us to get up there, and then it created a like an inefficiency right there anyway. Where we left the consolidation at, you see it's a wick. You see that wick and it by your yellow line, right? See your yellow line down here, right here. Where we left to consolidate right there. It created a market inefficiency because those candles not touching, but it's also not a gap. So the market came to check that off last week. Now we heading higher. Market don't like the market. Like I always tell y'all, the market like balance. It loves to be balanced. So when the market has an inefficiency on a higher time frame, like the weekly, it's gonna 9 times out of 10, it's gonna come clean that up before it moves in the other direction. So it came to clean that up. Also checking off the top of this consolidation to move higher. So in order for us to get past that level that we created on the weekly, we had to gap. We had to create a gap, a strong selling. Because if not, we would have bounced here again. So we had to gap down. So now we gap down, it still leaves a level for you to sell from in the middle of the gap. So you can play the first touch at the bottom of the gap if you want to, or you can play the middle of the gap. I want to play the middle of the gap.
I want the middle because that's also
Level.
That 20 is like the daily. The daily that's a daily gap also. So when
Right.
you go to the on day, you got this gap right here.
Oh yeah.
It's like right there.
Yeah, so you can play.
And it hasn't tested it yet. So they got some shit in here that'll allow us a sale.
Yeah.
Then I told you 4206, Mike. I mean 4306 that you sell 4420 from. I might actually get out at the bottom of my weekly, like 4382.
Yeah.
In case it try to stay in there. Because it can stay in on the weekly and go fill it because this gap is only a week old on the weekly. Right. It's days old on the daily. So I might be like, all right, I'm gonna sell this 20, but instead of saying it's gonna push all the way out, I might say get out at 83. 83 underneath it. This 61.
83 should be 83 is a good amount of money though, to be honest with you. Like if you trade that the right way, that could be your only trade this week and you could be done.
Yeah.
That could be like
a Chinese, man. Jesus. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying to keep up, bro.
Wait, what happened?
I say, Ma, I do one-on-one. I said, bro, I do one-on-one. Yeah, Ma.
Wait, what did he say?
You hear me, Ma?
Huh?
I do one-on-ones, no?
That boy came with a business.
What'd you say?
I said I do one-on-one.
What you just said, Paul? What Moses?
Man, nigga lost me. We was talking about the inefficiency and all that. Nigga,
Oh,
what?
No, look, I do
Mike
one-on-one,
changing,
dog.
Mike changing the verbiage on us, bro.
No, Maul kind of sounded fed up with y'all.
Yeah, man, that nigga went from
Say,
I'm
bro, look.
We
Say,
that
kind of
nigga went from
zoned out
listen,
Booker
right
T.
quick,
That
Mike.
nigga
I
from
ain't
Booker
gonna lie.
really went from Booker T to Ben
Deduction.
Franklin on a
say,
nigga
what
right
it
quick,
said.
man.
Say, dog. Say,
Hey.
Wayne, did you have a problem with that word I used?
No, look, I'm about to
It's
tell you,
them
Mike.
Kennedy niggas,
I'm
dog.
listening to him.
Say,
And we went to fucking around with some shit, and I kind of got excited. You heard me? I'm like, ooh.
Mike.
Like,
It's them Kennedy
man,
niggas,
Mike,
bro.
ever since you left the hood, bro, you kind of bougie, bro. I'm about to start calling you
Yeah,
Pussy T.
thank you. Fucking
You
right. Thank you.
Pusha T
Now
for
somebody
now.
knows.
You look down on us.
No, I don't. Hey, I never look down on my partners. Never.
no,
Never look down on my partners.
I'm about to tell you one thing. I'm going back to my apprentices. I'm like, look, y'all got too many fucking options going on. I don't even be fucking with this shit.
Okay.
I gotta go back. I gotta go back to my spot.
Go get your controller and the batteries.
I gotta follow me, bro.
Say, bro, look, dog, nigga said, since you left the hood, you did, yeah, bro. What Jay said, you expect me to stay the same?
Huh?
You expect me to stay the same? No,
See what
bro.
happened to C Murder, bro. Master P told y'all.
Say, dog.
Gotta go, bro.
You see how BG came out of, never mind. So let's, so
Right,
we'll
look,
put that
next.
next.
Okay.
Next. Nobody even get into that shit.
Sometimes people go too far.
Me and you, we're people.
You people.
You're the people he's talking about.
You people. You people.
But nah,
Thank you, Blake.
that's probably how I'll run that trade. So I'm
That
looking to
nigga said
sell.
inefficiency. That nigga said, "Oh, that shit lost me."
What you talking about, man?
Well, setting
That's
up
my
a mall
trade.
strip club or something.
44.20 to 43.82. That's what I think I'm gonna be fucking with. That's what I'm gonna be fucking with. Closure,
Right.
like you said, closure below. A closure below what 43.06 you said, Mike, on the daily?
Supposed below that, that's you can forget about it. You might well just go on SPX and buy all the puts that he got available for you. Empty your account.
You're not trying to break this one though? Like this was low? This one's 42 like 80, 42.79.
Bro, if we Winston, if
Are
we
you
close
saying
below
so if we
4300,
break 06 is a wrap
no, you can forget about it, son. It's
on
over.
the daily?
If we close below 4300 or even 4306 on a daily time frame, forget about it.
All right, y'all.
You can forget about it because there's
Fuck it,
nothing
but-
that's gonna catch you down there, bro.
I'm fucking with it. All right.
But I'm just gonna let the market tell me because I know seasonality and all that Maul had brought up. Let me see.
You should be going higher. This like a short trade, dog. I'm gonna tell y'all. Along with selling at 27, I'll buy if it hit 27 and sell down, I'll be buying 43.85 after that. Because this weekly and seasonality will give us that bounce right quick and then come in a week at 4,500. You heard me? With the quickness.
Yeah.
So
You'll be like, what the fuck happened?
and you're gonna get all this shit to play out. You're gonna get the daily EMA to break, like all that stuff is gonna transpire. Like, time continuity. That's what we're really looking at right now.
Oh, bro, now you need more. I wish I would have known you need other batteries because I would have bought them batteries today. So now you need more batteries. I don't have that size, double A batteries.
That's how I look on the daily.
I'm gonna we had to go back to the store. I got you, bro. I'm gonna stop when we go by Gigi house. When we go by Gigi house, I'm gonna stop and get you some batteries so you can play with your car by Gigi house.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
4 hour.
What?
So it's gonna be working when we go by Gigi house. I'm gonna stop and get you some more batteries.
Look how smooth that is. Look how smooth that is.
All right.
Okay.
Daddy should have checked this
So
before.
some of these numbers is checking out. This the 83 we talked about right there, right? Right around. And where's our 20's down here?
Mhm. So it's a couple of gaps on the 4 hour though that we created on the way down. Even smaller gaps that we created.
What?
What?
A 2-8. Take. 2-8. Take. 2-8.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Mhm. Mhm. Catapult. Count. I'm not going. You going to 1 hour?
You can go on 1 hour you want to.
You got something to do on that?
Can I go get your Spider-Man toy out the kitchen?
Yeah.
Something wrong with your legs?
Oh, hold
Okay.
on.
Go ahead. Be careful.
I got played as a level now. Got it at all. All right.
Say Ma.
What you got on in 1 hour, Bubba?
Yo,
I just wanna clear the air, bro. I ain't mean to talk about your school, dog.
oh, man, you know,
I know you went to McMain, but look, check this out. I
McMain.
just want to say this, dude, son.
Supreme, you went to McMain too, huh?
I just want to say this, though, Ma. When I
What's
say
up?
inefficiency, an inefficiency is anything that. So it's like a gap,
Like y'all graduation class.
or like
Like
Okay,
a lot
yeah,
of people got
yeah.
kept back and a lot of, So,
Well, I don't know if a lot of people got kept back in McMain, though.
oh, I'm talking about now school. Go ahead, bro.
Oh, okay, all right,
This is
yeah,
stupid.
yeah.
But no, dog,
But,
I
like,
ain't want.
Kennedy
was
weird.
Like,
Look, Mike, there's an inefficiency for Kennedy. The niggas who graduated went to jail, and the dropouts are famous.
Check
That's
us
an
out. We out here.
inefficiency.
what's
That's
up?
an inefficiency. Go ahead, dog.
But go
That's
ahead.
what I was saying, Ma. Like an inefficiency is like a gap or any kind of imbalance that the market leaves. The market always returns to it. That's why you always hear Winston talking about trading gaps and stuff like that, because the market The market always returns to them inefficiencies, and it creates those inefficiencies for a reason. That's why
For
they're
us.
so profitable when you trade them.
They create them for us, bro.
You create them,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
They're definitely made for us.
For the Gap Boys.
The gap guys.
For the
But yeah,
round.
bro, so I'm
Nigga,
gonna
please.
next time we when I'm explaining the chart, I'm not gonna use inefficiencies. I'm gonna use the exact terms
Unstable creatures.
like
That's what we gonna use.
like gap,
That's to help
the
light the
market
chart.
imbalance.
I like that. We gonna call it unstable creature, Mike.
Dog, you stupid, dog.
Burned up
But yeah,
there.
man, I just wanted to clear that up, dog. Because then they'll said I'm being bougie and shit because I don't be in the hood
You
no
know
more.
what's happening?
Yeah, he called me left with that one, dog. Like,
The
wait,
last
hold
time
on.
I was in the hood, nigga pulled a pistol on me, son. So why would I keep coming back?
I'm like, I know this regular shit that Mike be saying, but okay, this nigga starting to use some new words today. Okay, hold on. Let me look this shit up, man.
PI mode. He
That
went
man
click
getting
on
his
it.
YouTube voice on, Mal.
Huh?
He getting his YouTube on.
Yeah, I respect it.
Hey,
I
bro, look, I'm just getting more knowledge so I can bring it back to the wolf pack, dog. That's
The
all.
gang.
The wolf pack. That's all I'm saying, bro.
That oil for
It's lighter fluid.
I'm
Oh, this
Lighter
nigga about to set the
cooking
house on
again.
fire.
Wait a minute. Oh yeah, this gonna be a good week, bro.
It's Sunday, dog. It's time to get it in. It's starting to get cool, man. We rolling the smoker back out, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh
Are
yeah,
you out here
man.
in Katy?
That boy about you about to smoke some cauliflower?
From the Katy.
Yeah, man.
Oh, smoke cauliflower, baby.
Cauliflower. We doing some jack ribs. You know what I'm saying?
Jackfruit.
There you go now.
Fucking right. I'm
Think
there.
now that Willie chicken
But you
on
gonna be
fucking.
you gonna be by the second line? Because if you by the second line, I ain't coming.
I'm
Nah.
how this. I seen.
That's some
Nell-
bougie.
I-
That's some bougie shit to say, huh?
so hot.
For a nigga that be in the hood, don't want to be in the
Nah,
hood.
I ain't fuck with them second lines. Second lines, daiquiris, I don't do.
I seen Nell placing this bet with one hand. And he had some Willie chicken in the other, bro. At Caesar. I was gonna take the picture, but my phone died. And number grease marks on that bitch when he left here.
That's cold blooded, dog.
Ain't that cold? That shit nasty too, dog. I just want to tell y'all. Whoever promoting that on fucking Canal Street.
DJ at church. Look, watch what you're doing. You're gonna knock the other bike.
That's the
Just leave it
move,
right
though,
there.
bro.
There you go.
Yo, 1 hour, you're gonna really just have to see how I trade. Like,
Man, hey, bro, can I brag for a second, son?
go ahead.
Go to the
Can I
5
talk?
minute, dog. I want to show y'all my trades, son. I
Yeah,
want to show you my trade, dog. I want y'all to be proud of me, dog.
that bitch really, I really had to ask.
Go to the 5.
Yo, I switched to that 1 minute one time. My fucking truck froze up.
So look, this is the trade I took. Go to the top of your screen. All right, you see that small right there to your left. To your left, to your left, to your left, right there. See that candle, that green up close candle right there?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Sold that.
So you took that down, Mike?
Did I take it down like Chris Brown?
Let me take it down.
Oh, Lord, that was from Friday. Yeah, they did hit 43XX.
Take it down. This is the order block.
Oh, come on, talk to him, Winston.
Trying to help y'all out. Trying to just help you stir I seen you. So
look,
tell
I'm
us
gonna be
about
honest
it.
with y'all. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. When I take those trades like that, I'm only looking for 10 points. Right? So my entry was at 66, I got out at 56. But clearly,
I could have
could have stayed
stayed.
in for more.
This is what I'm gonna do.
But that's just the discipline of trading,
Oh
dog.
no, this is a 5 minute, so I'm not gonna get involved.
Bro, the 5 minute really
no.
not that bad, bro. I traded a 1 minute one time, and I had to go get some anxiety medicine after that.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I need something like this. That'll be all right. All right, I'm gonna mess around with that.
Bill.
Look for a few more of those guys. Oh, here go one
Yeah,
right
that was a trade I took Friday, bro.
here. One right here, Mike.
So yeah.
And tell me if I'm wrong. This
Strawberry
is this
Bill.
candle right here, auto black.
Not
Got a green candle, then
the
you got
green
all
candle,
red.
the green candle in the middle of them red candles.
There's a green one, yeah.
It could be dog, but
That bitch look like it. I'm just saying it went down and came back and touched it.
but look, so what you want, so what you want when you want like a good order block,
You.
a good order block is when, like, let's just say that this candle that we talking about right now, that we got a closure, we got that closure below it, then another closure below it without a wick touching it. Then we come back and touch it.
Football side, okay?
See, I don't like how the next candle opened up, came into it, and then sold off. That I don't like that. Those are ones I don't trade. So if we could travel away from it for a while, then return back to it, then I'm selling it. But see, we ain't traveled that far.
I got you.
You know what I'm
Because
saying?
it was just like right there. Yeah.
And then it opened up, hit it, and then came back and sold off. Well, I don't know the order of that candle, but it do have a wick in it that touch the order block, quote unquote. So I don't like those. I like the ones that you keep selling or you keep buying, then you come back down to it, then you buy it or you sell it, whatever direction is, whatever direction is in.
Right. Okay.
Brush
You know what I'm
my please, Tom.
But you would have to have a reason to take those trades, though. Like you gotta have a reason to take a trade. You can't just be like, oh, this is an order block.
I'm
Yeah.
out of here.
You gotta, but I'm gonna tell you this though, the order blocks on the higher time frames, like the 1 hour and the 4 hour, those are the ones that really very, 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 very potent. They very potent. You could get a smooth 5 to 10 to 15 points out of it.
Have that one.
Okay.
That's not the travel.
Doing your travel cup, I think.
But I'm gonna leave it at that, bro. I don't, like Maul said, I didn't confuse them already, so I'm gonna just be quiet for the rest of the Zoom. Oh, I'm definitely gonna be quiet now.
But no, I can't.
This might
use
be
it.
the only thing I got downside on, bro.
What cup you want?
I want a
Oh, that's a lie.
uh,
But that
Spider-Man cup
cool too.
with all the other villains on it. What, Daddy? What?
Wash his cups.
Don't break
Do
it.
y'all
man.
see that little green box on it?
Daddy?
You got a green box on your screen, Mike?
No.
All right. Yeah, put it down. Whichever one you choose. So that 42.11, we didn't even get the break that we needed. We didn't get the break we needed to sell down to it. Go up.
Yeah, I think upside, bro. Middle of that gap right now. Just like we were talking about on the year. Hey.
36. Like 36. Unless it's going to just go to the top of here again and not go in there at all.
Good, bro. We want to use this cup. What cup you want, son?
Then I'm gonna go to the joint right quick. No.
You pour the milk in, okay? I can get the spoon. You put it in the milk. Okay. Now I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay, Daddy. Oopsies.
Come on, pour it in.
Now
Yeah.
let me stir.
Still 36 on the first touch. This might bust food out. Yes, sir. And you need a closure below
Clean that up.
25 on the daily
Right here. Right here.
for that biscuit selling.
Don't step in it.
I'm with that.
Get a napkin, bro.
Below 25.
The napkin.
Yeah. Looking for something on here. Don't believe it happened. Line up the drain up. That's good. We didn't have nothing on here. Google closed inside that gap, then close back outside of it. So there's a wrap on him. Close back out there.
This nigga now getting them fucking bets in there.
Trying to get it lit.
We got more.
Yeah, he put more on one. And he on the Zoom. Go figure.
Can I get at least one of those bets though? I'm just saying.
Hey, drop it.
Drop clues bombs from there.
Y'all got them picks, bro?
I don't
Yeah,
have
bro.
my phone with me. I'm about
I
to
just sent about 12 through, bro.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Okay.
We good here, though, right, y'all?
I know it's off the subject, and then I'm going back mute. Notice the ones that I put round robin on, bro. Make sure y'all put the exact round robin.
Hey, how I get that? Oh, I can't do it now because that game started, huh?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
that
two
game.
games. I was trying to do that field goal joint again. But yeah, Nvidia still ain't here where we needed it to, so we good there. And closure below 25 is probably gonna get you 11. So you get a daily closure on the SPY below 25, we'll probably drop to 11. The same thing, that's gonna be the same number as Mike was saying. That's closure below 4,300 on a daily. You're gonna get some selling to the bottom. Makes sense. We discovered it was 50 points, right? So 4,300, 425. Daily closure below it. You sell. But until then,
Yeah.
to the moon. Only other thing I'm selling on first touch is the 44.20, 20 and some change.
Mm-hmm.
What you talking about on this?
No, on the SPY. So the SPY, which is the same as ES.
Wait for that.
If you get a closure below 44.25
36.
on here, on a SPY, we're probably going to keep
425.
selling. And I think the next number I got is 411.
03.
He said 403. I got 411.
You got 411. That's fine. I'll take that.
If the daily closes under 4306, 4,300,
talking on the Zoom.
we're going to be selling down. And that number is going to be, well, that's what the fuck this was. Who's under there? You're going on a ride. I don't think he's going to. I can't say that. Watch my mouth. Watch your fucking mouth.
I think it's gonna be I think it's gonna be an excellent week of trading, bro. I think everybody gonna have profitable trades this week. People not gonna be scared to pull the trigger. People not gonna let the emotions get the best of them while they trade. Pull the trigger.
Man, I'm glad he's so thankful, because I be getting cooked.
42-15. Was that everything?
Nah, bro. Yeah. Yeah.
You gotta record your trade, bro.
For me,
No, him. Cause he say
but that's not a
like this.
different size.
So
You need to-
when
you
it's
need to bring it back.
4306,
It be my timing. Like I be right on my trade, but it be my timing. Like I don't get it. I just be like,
are you doing minis? Or are you doing which one you
I'm
doing?
gonna buy you some more. I'm gonna start
man,
recording.
I didn't graduated, man. I'm
How
with the
about
big dogs now, man.
I was about to say you go because you can go to the mini and then now you take that lowest possible number. You heard me? But I don't know if you like buying or selling or whatever. Like I was buying 4306. I made money the first day or when the first time it touched. Then I try to buy it again, and that's when this wick took you out. You heard me? And then once I got took out, I didn't trade it no more. But I could have bought it again,
And
and then again.
and again.
Yeah, and still been in the trade right now.
Hey, Supreme, what's your criteria for getting a trade though? What you be looking for a trade?
Level.
Yeah, that's Mike. So I'm gonna
Levels?
back up. See, just trade levels, bro.
I can't really get into it because I'm working, because I don't really got my setup like to show you talk about it like.
All right.
Say, Maul, y'all need to go ahead and schedule y'all one-on-ones with me, dog. I'm gonna start doing one-on-ones for $1,000 a minute.
Goddamn. God.
Niggas,
Matter of fact, you right. He is bullshit. I don't know who it is.
God damn.
Christ.
but look, you gotta think about it, son. The shit I'm gonna give you, the game I'm gonna give you while we doing the one-on-one, you're gonna make
Mike,
10 times that.
somebody
look,
doing
so look,
somebody
so
doing
look,
50% off.
And I'm doing
So-
50%. Look, fuck that. I'm doing 75% off.
Oh,
You hear me?
Okay.
Nope. You know what? I'm feeling good. I'm gonna do 85% off.
all right,
Ooh.
all right. That's like 175 a minute. Okay, all right, okay.
You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, then I'm gonna do 175 per session. You hear me? There you go. Boom. So I didn't knock down.
All right, go ahead, get back. Go ahead, hit the Zell. Got that right now.
yeah, he didn't
Bro,
tell y'all
stop
his,
this
he
on the
didn't tell y'all
table,
his sessions are 10 minutes, huh? But
But no, real shit though, dog. Like if you need to have like a one-on-one Zoom and shit, I do that for real. I do that, dog. Like
when you buy your
we
computer,
having a Zoom right now, and it's mostly me and Winston calling this shit out and saying what we gonna do, and y'all probably just catch following along what we saying, but y'all don't really understand why we saying what we saying.
Right. That's my thing. Really,
Yeah.
really understand that shit. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
Uh-huh.
you
We can
know what you
follow
want
it.
to ask them.
Huh?
Do anybody know what they want to ask them? You probably need a chart in front of you,
Supreme, the chart.
Supreme. Them all
Yeah.
cooking. So maybe we got bad timing, bro.
Yeah, that's true too. But Winston, check this out. Not to be devil's advocate.
Get up.
I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna just say it. I'm gonna say it.
Hey,
I'm
stop touching
gonna say
stuff.
it. The last what 15, 20 Zooms we've been having, bitch has been spot on. And these niggas still ain't been taking a trade. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and close my computer. All right, bro. I see y'all
I'm about to
tomorrow.
leave too, cause see, that's why I wanted to cancel the Zoom. Cause I didn't want to get in my feelings. But the last probably 7 to 8 weeks,
Nigga been calling everything, man. Everything. But it's cool though, because you're not able to take every trade, and that's understandable. You're not supposed to take every trade.
I didn't miss some of them.
Yeah, me too. I missed a couple of them.
That's
But
cool.
I was I was wide awake for that 4306. Nigga said 4306 on Sunday. That bitch here what Wednesday?
Mhm. At fucking 2:30,
Yeah.
$1,000, 30
But
minutes.
and this was
That was
say
light.
when say when this the crazy part though. This the crazy part about that
I
shit.
ain't have all my contracts, Mike.
This the crazy part about that shit. The fucking the market was falling like a knife. Nigga said, no, we gonna catch this bitch at 4306.
That's just bet.
We gonna catch this bitch. And that bitch bounced.
That's the
I ain't
only
gonna lie,
way
son. Nigga had me
window,
scared.
dog.
Nigga had me scared. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga, I held my own though. Fuck that.
I was pinking for sure.
I was
I said, let me get to it.
catch
Let me
no,
see what
I ain't
happens
trying to
with
catch no falling knife, dog. But that bitch went straight to it. Boom, bounce. Got the fuck up out of there. But yeah, dog. So that's all. So I don't know if you want to go back over the numbers on
No, we
SPY
went over it. We went over it.
or SPX because I know that's a long trade.
Close below 4,300. Closer below 425. Selling down. First touch.
I want 44.24. I want that 44.21. I want that bad.
Yeah. First touch of 44.21 or 44.21 or 436 is a sale. Is a short sale, not a long sale, because we look like we're going to be heading into a greener area.
Greener pastures.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So yeah, bro. I bid you guys farewell. Have a happy Sunday.
Matt,
Mo,
I'm gonna
don't
send you
burn the
those.
fucking-
I'm gonna
don't
send you
burn the
those
cauliflower,
cards too,
man.
Mac. That Nell put in there.
You hear me? You hear me, Mo?
Uh,
The smoked cauliflower, dog. Don't over smoke it, bro.
Yeah, post that shit, man. You heard me?
Smoke, man. Smoke that cauliflower, bro. That shit gonna
I'm gonna smoke it. I'm gonna smoke it for
ain't gonna touch that.
32 and a
$2
half
It's gonna
fruit,
look like a
huh?
roast. It's gonna look like a fucking roast, like a brisket.
The mushrooms, dog. The oyster mushrooms, dog. Tastes like fried chicken.
Yeah, if you gonna keep telling yourself that, I'm cool with that.
And dude, I'm telling you,
Hey, I can just go to Popeyes. Dog. I ain't gonna hold you.
It tastes like fried chicken.
fucking right.
So you still eat fried food. I gotta go,
Man.
bro.
But y'all niggas is out the chain, dog.
I gotta go,
Crazy,
dog.
bro. Like, oh, so you won't eat meat, but you eat fried food. All right. So you eat French fries too?
Man, Daddy, that's a
That
potato.
means you still eat fast food, huh?
Oh man, y'all niggas stupid, bro.
Before I go to Popeye and say, let me get some
Hey, let me get a
fries,
large
man.
fried
And a bean.
six biscuits.
I just bring my mushrooms there and tell them dip it in the batter that they with the chicken with.
And they said,
Oh
drop it.
man, now
Y'all can drop it for 20 minutes for me.
niggas
Yeah.
say, yeah, I know the manager. Don't sure. I know the manager. Yeah. What kind of chicken that is? They ain't chicken.
Slide them boys a $5 bill.
Oh man, boy.
This for me. Spice it.
Yeah, put a little hot sauce on it for me, please.
I'm
Please.
gone, man. I get out with y'all.
All right, I did my part. The bet's in. Tell what you want.
All right.
All right, fellas.